I'm going to show you how to use YouTube along with other apps. So without further ado, let's get started. First, on your iPhone, you're going to head over to the YouTube app and then you're going to start playing any
Kung
video. Now, once you play on any video, you're just going to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then you're going to head back to your home screen. So just make sure that that video is playing.
yung younger self ko kung kakausapin ko
And now you can see that the video has shrunk into a small floating window in the corner of the screen. You can drag this window anywhere on the screen and still use other apps at the same time. If this doesn't work on you, then that means you're probably not on premium because this feature only works with premium users. So as you can see, I have a premium account right here. I have my premium benefits. And now if it still doesn't show up, even if you're using premium benefits, then you might need to adjust the settings. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to your profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on the settings gear up on the right side. Now, from there, you're just going to scroll down until you find this playback. So just click on the playback under the video and preferences section. And then from here, you're going to make sure that picture in picture is toggled on. So this allows the video to continue in a mini player on top of other apps. And that's it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.